Arro card credit reporting doesn't update instantly, and in most cases it only shows up after a full billing cycle closes, and the account is reported to the bureaus in batches, not in real time. By the end of this, you'll understand why your Arro card isn't showing on your credit report, and what you can do to fix or trigger proper reporting. Start with the timing issue. Most credit building cards don't report activity daily. They send updates to credit bureaus on a set schedule, usually after your statement cycle ends. If you just opened the card, or recently made payments, nothing may appear yet. Now check your account age. New accounts often take at least one full reporting cycle before they appear on your credit report. That means even if you're using the card correctly, there can be a delay before anything shows up. Next, look at payment activity. Some credit bureaus only receive updates when there is completed activity, like a full billing cycle with usage and repayment. If your balance hasn't gone through a full cycle yet, reporting may not trigger. Now, check identity and account matching. Your name, address, and personal details must match exactly across Arro and your credit profile. Even small mismatches can delay or block reporting from syncing correctly. Next, consider bureau differences. Not all cards report to all 3 credit bureaus at the same time. It's possible your activity is showing on one bureau, but not the others yet. Now, look at account status. If your account is restricted, frozen, or under verification review, reporting may be paused until the issue is resolved. That can make it look like your card isn't reporting at all. Next, check payment method behavior. Consistent on-time payments and active usage are often required before full reporting begins on credit building products. Inactive accounts may not generate reporting updates. Now consider technical delays. Credit reporting is handled in batches, and updates can take additional time after they are sent. That delay can make it seem like nothing is happening, even when reporting is already in progress. Finally, understand the system. Arro card reporting is not instant. It depends on completed billing cycles, accurate account information, and successful transmission to credit bureaus. To sum it up, most reporting issues come from 3 things: waiting for the first full billing cycle to close, mismatched or incomplete account details, or normal delays in credit bureau updates. Next step is simple. Keep the card active, make at least one full cycle of usage and repayment, and double-check your personal information matches exactly with your credit profile. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more credit building fixes, fintech card guides, and simple explanations that help you actually understand how your credit works.